So this section is going to be super exciting for everyone, I think. And what we're going to talk about in this section are the custom landing pages. So as you're probably aware already, the Power theme has these things called custom landing pages, which are fully customizable pages outside the homepage. So all these really beautiful looking product pages, like we're scrolling down right now, these we called custom landing pages. And they're essentially a page that we could fully customize with the static sections on the left here. And we're going to dive in more into all the static sections which make up custom landing pages in the next video. And in this video, we're going to focus more on how you actually initiate and set up a custom landing page on a new theme. But just to give you a brief look at the type of things we can do with custom landing pages. So if we go into this dynamic block here, we can see the homepage-like interface builder here. We can drag and drop sections, also add sections as we want, and also delete sections as we want. So this is the power of custom landing pages, and it allows us to create these fully customized pages outside the homepage like this, which at the end of the day, these will be the pages that we send our paid traffic. So again, we're going to look at this a lot more in the next video, but for this video, let's just focus on adding one of these custom landing pages to a new store. So right off the bat, if we look here, we can see that this store we're currently on has 3 different custom landing pages set up for it. Apart from that, it also has some sort of standard templates that we also include with every version of the Power theme. So we're actually going to dive into these standard templates as well in a later video, but for this section of videos, we're just going to focus on these custom landing pages. And as you can see, we currently have 3 set up. So we're currently on custom landing page 1. If we go over to custom landing page 2, you can see that this is the second custom page that we set up. And notice it's for the exact same product as custom landing page 1, but we just wanted to show off some of the different layouts and designs you could do with the Power theme. So this is landing page 2. And notice even the header for landing page 2, we opted to hide it versus the other pages. And that's just because we wanted to sort of maximize focus on this banner and also just the page itself. So we'll also go over how to hide the header on custom landing pages in the next video as well. And quickly, let's just take a look at custom landing page 3. So again, same product, but this is the third custom landing page that we have set up for Therm OSD store. And as you can see, it's a totally different design than the other stores, fully custom built. So in this video, let's focus on adding a 4th custom landing page to this store. And as we can see here, we have the version of the Power theme with 5 custom landing pages. So we have the opportunity to add up to 5 different fully custom pages with this theme. So without any further ado, let's back out of this customizer window and work on adding a 4th custom landing page here. So once we back out of that, we're going to want to go to the Pages tab under Sales Channels. So under Online Store, under Sales Channels, we're going to click Pages. And here we can see all of the pages that we have set up in this store for the Power theme. So we have custom landing page 1, 2, and 3, which we just looked at, and as well those standard page templates, which we'll get into in a later section of this course. So for now, let's add custom landing page 4. And to do that, we're going to want to click on the Add Page button up here. So this will bring us to this add page, and anyone who's familiar with Shopify has more than likely seen this before. So typically when you add a new page to Shopify, you're typically going to use the page template here. So this is the standard new page for most of the free Shopify themes. And when you add a new page this way, typically you can just give it a title and a description, and that's what's going to show up on your page. So for custom landing pages, we're going to do it a bit different. We are still going to give it a title. So in this case, let's call it custom landing page 4, for example. The description you don't need, actually, because this is not going to show up anywhere on the custom landing page we're going to build. So you don't have to write anything here in the description for now, or ever, actually. You can just leave that blank. What is important is to select the template suffix. So if we click here, you can see that these are all the templates that are going to show up with the Power theme if you get the version with 5 custom landing pages. So we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one important thing to note here is you can only create one fully customized landing page per template. So since we already used the templates 1, 2, and 3 for the 3 other pages existing on our store, we can't use this template again for a new custom landing page. So we're going to have to use either 4 or 5 for this page now. So let's just do template CLP4, which is custom landing page 4. And we're going to set it as visible, which is fine. And next we can also choose to edit the URL if you wish. So by default, it's going to default to the title that you give it up here. But obviously when you're creating a new custom landing page for your store, let's say that you sell ergonomic pillows, for example, then you might want to call this ergonomic pillow here or something like that. And if you want to split test, you could also do things like ergonomic pillow 1 and 2 and 3 for the different split tests. But let's just keep it at ergonomic pillow for this example. So actually, instead of custom landing page 4, let's actually call it ergonomic pillow as well, just to make it a little bit easier for us to see. So this is more of a real world example that you would do. So we have ergonomic pillow in the title, ergonomic pillow for the URL handle, and page.clp4 as the template. And now we're going to go ahead and click save. And we can see that this has been created on our store. So if we back out, we can see that on our list of pages, we now have custom landing page 1, 2, 3, and this will be custom landing page 4. So you notice that we didn't call it custom landing page 4. So obviously for these examples, we titled it custom landing page 3 with template CLP3. And for this, instead of calling it custom landing page 4, we called it ergonomic pillow, but with CLP4. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. If not, definitely just shoot our customer service team an email, but hoping this is clear for everyone. So after we do that, after we add our custom landing page, then we can go back to our online store tab, go back into our customizer for the Power theme, and you might have to give it a few seconds, but after a few seconds, you should see your new custom landing page show up here under our list of pages. So just scrolling down here, I don't see it right now, but if we do a refresh, it typically takes about 20 to 30 seconds, I find, for it to come up within our page selector here. So now we can see it here below. So if we click on the ergonomic pillow, you can see that now we have a full new custom landing page just ready to be built. So by default, this is how every new custom landing page will come before you make any changes. It's going to come with most sections hidden, but a few sections unhidden. And those sections are the bundles heading here, which you can see here. The first 3 bundle cards here, which are here. And then also for the bottom, there's this bundles heading here, and then these 3 bundle cards here. So we're going to leave it here for this video, and we're going to dive into actually what's going on the side here in the next video. But for now, that was a good start, and we have a new custom landing page added to our store, and we'll pick it up here in the next video.